Hi friends, in this session let us see Karnataka state, its administrative divisions, taluk, river and hills. Before going to start our topic, now let us see where is our India is located in world map. In this area our India is located in southern part of Asian continent. Now let us move on. In this map we can clearly see the area of our India. Our Karnataka is located in this place in southern part of India in Peninsular area. Here we can clearly see the area of our Karnataka. The name Karnataka has been used from the ancient time. This land is used to be called as a Karunadu. Karunadu means black soil. Now let us move on. Division of Karnataka for administrative purposes. There is a 4 divisions are there. Now let us see. Bengaluru division, Mysore division, Belgaum division, Gulbarga division. Those divisions are observed in this map. The red color shows the area of Bengaluru division. Light green color shows the area of Mysore division. Pink color shows the area of Belgaum division. Bright green color shows the area of Gulbarga division. Now let us move on. In our Karnataka there is a 30 districts are there. Now let us discuss one by one. Our first district is Bengaluru district. Here is the area of Bengaluru district. In our Bengaluru district there is a 4 taluks. First one is Doddaballapura. Second one is Devanahalli. Third one is Hosakote. Fourth one is Nelamangala. Our next district is Ramnagara district. Ramnagara district, in this area Ramnagara district is located. Now let us move on. In Ramanagara district there is a 4 taluks. First one is Ramanagaram, Channapatnam, Kanakapura, Magadi. The rivers which are flows in this area is Kaveri, Arakavati, Shimsha. Our next district is Bengaluru district. Here is the area of Bengaluru district. Now let us move on. In Bengaluru district there are 4 taluks: Bangalore North, Bangalore South, Anakal, Bengaluru East. Our next district is Mysore district. Here is the area of Mysore district. In Mysore district there are 7 taluks. First one is Mysore, Nanjanagudu, T. Narsapur, Krishnarajanagara, Hunsur, Priyapatna, Hegada Devanakote. In this area the rivers flows are there. There is a Kaveri, Lakshmana Tirtha, Kapila. Our next district is Hassan district. Here is the area of Hassan district. Now let us move on. First taluk is Hassan, Arsikere, Belur, Sakaleshpura, Alur, Chennarayanapatna, Arakalgud, Holensepur. The rivers which are flows in this area is Hemavati, Yagachi, Kaveri. Our next district is Chamarajnagara district. Here is the area of Chamarajnagara district. Now let us move on. In Chamarajnagara district is 4 taluks are there. First one is Chamarajnagara, Gundalpete, Kolegal, Yalandur. The rivers which are flows in this area is Kaveri, Moyar. Our next district is Haveri district. Here is the area of Haveri district. Now let us move on. There is a 7 taluks are there: Haveri, Hangal, Savanuru, Badgi, Ranebennur, Hirekerur, Sigon. The rivers which are flows in this area is Varada, Dharma, Tungabhadra. Our next district is Shumaga district. Here is the area of Shumaga district. Now let us move on. The taluk is Shumaga, Sorab, Sagar, Vasanagara, Tirthalli, Shikaripura, Bhadravati. The rivers which are flows in this area is Tunga, Bhadra, Varsada, Kumudvati, Shravati. The hills which are located in this area is Govardhanagiri, Kodachadri, Devarakunda. Our next district is Mandya. Here is the area of Mandya district. In Mandya district there are 7 taluks: Mandya, Madur, Malavalli, Srirangapatna, Pandavapura, Krishnarajapet, Nagaramannala. The rivers which are flows in this area is Kaveri, Hemavati, Lokapavani, Shimsha. Our next district is Ballari district. Here is the area of Ballari district. In Ballari district there are 7 taluks: Ballari, Sandur, Siraguppa, Hospet, Hodagli, Hagribamanahalli, Kodagli. The rivers which are flows in this area is Tungabhadra, Hagari, Chinnahagiri. Our next district is Chikkaballapura. Here is the area of Chikkaballapura. Now let us move on. In Chikkaballapura district there is a 6 taluks. First one is Chintamani, Sidalghata, Chikkaballapura, Gudibanda, Begapalli, Govaribednur. The rivers which are flows in this area is Uttara Panikani, Chitravati, Papagni. The hills which are located in this area is Nandi Durga, Satachuranga hills. Our next district is Kolar district. Here is the area of Kolar district. In Kolar district there are 5 taluks: Kolar, Mulabagala, Bangarpet, Malur, Srinivasapura. The rivers which are flows in this area is Palar. Our next district is Chikkamangaluru district. Here is the area of Chikkamangaluru district. Now let us move on. The taluks are Tarikere, Kadur, Narsimharajapur, Kopa, Srinagari, Chikkamangaluru, Madikeri. The rivers which are flows in this area is Tungabhadra. Our next district is Gadag. Here is the area of Gadag district. There is taluks are Gadag, Naragunda, Ron, Mundagi, Sirahati. The rivers which are flows in this area is Mallaprabha, Tungabhadra. Our next district is Kodagu district. Here is the area of Kodagu district. In Kodagu district there are 3 taluks: Madikeri, Somavarapet, Virajapet. The rivers which are flows in this area is Kaveri, Hemavati, Lakshmana Tirtha. The hills which are located in this area is Brahmagiri, Subramanya. Our next district is Tumkur district. Here is the area of Tumkur district. First taluk is Tumkur, Pavagada, Sira, Madugiri, Koratagiri, Chikkanayakkanahalli, Tiptur, Travancore, Gubbi, Kunnigal. Here is the area. The rivers which are flows in this area is Uttara Panikani, Shimsha, Nayamangali, Kumadwati. Our next district is Kalaburgi district. Here is the area of Kalaburgi district. Now let us move on. There is a taluks are there. First one is Gulbarga, Alland, Chincholi, Afzalpur, Jewagi, Chittapur, Sedam. The rivers which are flows in this area is Bhima. Our next district is Yadgiri district. Here is the area of Yadgiri district. In Yadgiri district there are 3 taluks. First one is Yadgiri, Shahapur, Shorapur. The rivers which are flows in this area is Krishna. Our next district is Davangere. Here is the area of Davangere district. Now let's move on. In Davangere district there is 6 taluks: Harappanahalli, Harihara, Jaglur, Davangere, Honnalli, Changiri. The rivers which are flows in this area is Tungabhadra. Our next district is Chitradurga. Here is the area of Chitradurga district. In Chitradurga district there are 6 taluks: Malkarmur, Chalkere, Hiriyur, Chitradurga, Hodalkere, Hosadurga. The rivers which are flows in this area is Chennahegiri, Vedavati. Our next district is Bidar. Here is the area of Bidar district. Now let us move on. Bidar district has 5 taluks. First one is Bidar, Bhalki, Aurad, Basava Kalyana, Himanabad. Here is the our next district is Raichur. Here is the area of Raichur district. In Raichur district there are 4 taluks. First one is Raichur, Devadurga, Lingasagara, Manvi. The rivers which are flows in this area is Krishna, Tungabhadra. Our next district is Koppala. Here is the area of Koppala district. In Koppala district there are 4 taluks. First one is Koppala, Gangavati, Yellaburga, Kustagi. The rivers which are flows in this area is Tungabhadra. Our next district is Uttara Kannada. Here is the area of Uttara Karnataka Kannada district. In Uttara Kannada there are 11 taluks are there. First one is Karwar, Ankola, Kumata, Honavar, Bhatkal, Siddhapur, Sirsi, Mandagod, Yellapur, Hiliyal, Supa. The rivers which are flows in this area is Shravati, Gangavali, Kali, Donihala. Our next district is Udupi. Here is the area of Udupi district. Now let us move on. In Udupi district there are 3 taluks. First one is Kundapur, Udupi, Karikal. The rivers which are flows in this area is Kolur, Chera, Shita, Suvarna. Here is our next district is Dakshina Kannada. Here is the area of Dakshina Kannada. In Dakshina Kannada there are 5 taluks. First one is Mangaluru, Bhabatwala, Beltangadi, Puttur, Sulia. The rivers which are flows in this area is Netravati. Our next district is Vijayapura. Here is the area of Vijayapura. In Vijayapura district there is a 5 taluks. First one is Bijapur, Indi, Sindagi, B. Bhagawadi, Mudebal. The rivers which are flows in this area is Bhima, Doni, Krishna. Our next district is Belagavi district. Here is the area of Belagavi district. In Belagavi district there is a 10 taluks. First one is Belgaum. Second one is Aithanai, Rayabag, Chikkodi, Hokkeri, Gokak, Bilahongala, Ramnagara, Ramadurga, Sodati, Kanpura. The rivers which are flows in this area is Krishna, Ghattaprabha, Mallaprabha, Doni. Our next district is Bagalkot district. Here is the area of Bagalkot district. In Bagalkot district there are 6 taluks. First one is Bagalkot, Jumakhandi, Bilagi, Modhol, Badami, Hunagunda. The rivers which are flows in this area is Krishna, Ghattaprabha, Mallaprabha. Our next district is Dharwad. Here is the area of Dharwad district. In Dharwad district there are 5 taluks. First one is Dharwad, Hubli, Kalghatta, Kundagol, Navalgund. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you all like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.